Hi guys, welcome to MADHU'S Culinary Classics. Today's recipe is yummy and crunchy egg nuggets. Let's get started. Things required are eggs, Maida or all-purpose flour, cornflour, chili flakes and oregano, salt, red chili powder, grinded cornflakes, oil. Now take a bowl and break 4 eggs. We are adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of oregano and whisking it nicely. Grease the bowl with oil and pour the egg mixture. And steam the egg mixture for about 10 minutes at low heat. Cut the steamed eggs into cubes. Now take a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of maida, one and a half teaspoon of cornflour, and I'm sprinkling the red chili powder, adding water and preparing it as a batter. Mix it well to avoid lumps. To prepare the outer coat of nuggets, we are taking grinded cornflakes. You can use breadcrumbs. And I'm adding chili flakes and oregano and mixing it well. Now I'm taking the egg cubes, first dipping it and nicely coating it with the maida and cornflour mixture, and then rolled in the cornflakes. Heat the oil and fry the nuggets. We are frying the nuggets at a moderate temperature. Fry the nuggets until it's golden brown. Now our yummy and crunchy egg nuggets is ready to accompany your evening time. For more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.